Hello guys, welcome to Magic Bee. Today we're going to draw a satellite as well as we're going to learn about it. A satellite is any object that orbits a star or a planet. The moon is a natural satellite because it orbits Earth, and Earth is also a natural satellite because it orbits the sun. There are artificial satellites too, the ones made by people that orbits the Earth. They normally have one specific job. Let's see what are the different types of satellites by their functions. Today, the most common four types of satellites based on the applications are: number 1, communication; number 2, Earth observation; number 3, navigation; and number 4, astronomical. The first man-made satellite was called Sputnik, launched by the USSR. Do you know what it means? It means Union of Soviet Socialist Republics in 1957. The first man-made satellite looks like a small aluminium ball, roughly the size of a beach ball. It was powered by batteries. Since 1957, around 8,900 satellites have been launched into space from over 40 different countries. The International Space Station is a habitable laboratory in orbit with Earth, traveling at a little over 17,000 miles per hour. The International Space Station takes just 92 minutes to make one orbit of Earth. Satellites are launched into space by rockets. Satellites orbit Earth on average at an altitude of 22,200 miles. Satellites need to travel at least 17,450 miles per hour to stay in orbit and not come crashing back to Earth. The purpose of each satellite will dictate which orbit would be the best for it. There are 4 common types of satellite orbits. Number 1, geostationary orbit. It travels in a circle around the Earth's equator from west to east, following the Earth rotation at exactly the same speed. The next one is low Earth orbit. It orbits the Earth at a lower orbit than any other satellite. They still very far from Earth, with the lowest altitude of approximately 100 miles. Polar and Sun-synchronous orbit. It also called SSO. Satellites in SSO orbit usually travel from north to south, passing roughly, though not necessarily directly, over the Earth's poles. Hope you all enjoyed. Do you feel it's interesting? Please share and subscribe to Magic Bee. In next video, we're going to draw a beautiful girl in the rain, as well as we're going to learn the science behind the rain. See you on next video.